I'm out with a new stove today. It's made in the USA, so we're going to find out what our American friends have to offer. This tower is as good a place as any to cook breakfast. Let's go up and look at the view. Wow, that's pretty impressive. Cook outdoors with America's #1 brand, Sterno Folding Stove, made in the USA. This looks interesting. Oh, that's a funny old jobber. Let's put him together. Of course, I never read the instructions. It can't be that difficult, can it? I think we're there. This metal plate slots in, and then it's pretty much self-explanatory. And he's all together. Lovely job. A fine piece of American engineering. Or not. Can I straighten him out? Nope. I'm a little bit disappointed with that. It's like the whole thing needs readjusting a bit, doesn't it? Not to worry, we'll use him as he is for now and worry about that another day. This little stove is actually quite well designed. It's got these two little bits that come out here, and you've got that bar there and a cutout. That's designed in such a way that when you put your fuel can in this case I've got some chafing fuel, it sits in there nicely and keeps the fuel cell raised just above the ground. I'm not going to muck about with this type of fuel can. I've got an alternative. I was going through my stove collection and I've come up with this. This is a Pathfinder Alcohol stove. The dimensions, depth wise, for the main unit are pretty much identical, and when you look width wise they're exactly the same. So I'm going to try this. And the added bonus with this is it acts pretty much like a Trangia alcohol stove, so I can control the heat on him as well if I want to. Just for those of you who are not aware, this little Pathfinder alcohol stove, it comes with its own pot stand. It sits nicely on there. He's not particularly wide, so I don't tend to use it just solely on its own. I like to put it in something to give my pots and pans a bit more support. This Pathfinder stove, it holds so much fuel, but I only need a little bit today. Slide him in them little grooves and he's good to go. Because we're going all American today, I bought a couple of beef burgers along, and as it's so hot I bought some salad and I'll put some cheese on top of the burgers. Oh, this is a Primus non-stick pan. I've had it for years. I find it absolutely brilliant. Let's get these bad boys in there. It's a bit early in the morning for burgers, really. It's only 8:30. I heard something at the bottom of this tower. Can you see what it is? There's a cow in my tower. Hello cow, how you doing? I didn't expect that. He's probably trying to get some shade away from this field. It's going to be another hot one today. Let's have a little tour while we're here. over in that direction there, that's the Bay and Western Supermare. This is Uphill Church. Over there is a place called Brean Down, and right over in the distance there's Hinkley Point Power Station, and I'll show you one more. There's a big hill up there, and that's called Brent Knoll. Oh gosh, I got all carried away and forgot about my burgers. Let's have a look. Oh, they're going nicely. Let's turn them over. Oh, beautiful. What I'm going to do is adjust this and turn him down. Is that hot? He's not too bad. The reason I like this little Sterno type stove is that it's got a nice big surface area, and I thought that would go well with some bigger pans, and it'd be a bit of fun to play with. Let's organise that. See how well he does. Taking the sting out of that one, haven't we? Just let him cook through. There's my lid. I'm not sure if my cow friend is unhappy because I'm eating one of his relatives, or he's just staying out the way there. Give himself a nice bit of shade. I've come out filming early today because at the moment in England it's ridiculously hot. I'm beginning to wonder if we're going to have a bit of an issue, because I'm filming up here, I'm surrounded by cows, and there seems to be more of them arriving in my little tower. Hello cow. Hope they let me out. How's the burgers doing? Oh yes. They were steaming away in their own juices nicely. I think they're nearly done. Let's turn him over. It's been so hot recently, I've been living off salad and meat. Not really fancied much else. Let's see if we can fire this up a little bit higher just to finish him off. They look done to me. Let's have a look at these. Oh, beautiful. A little tiny bit of that greasy goodness for extra flavour. A couple of cheese slices. Actually, let's mount him on top of there. And some garlic mayo. Oh, actually, let's do that. Just like they do in restaurants. Proper posh burgers. So that's burgers and salad done. And carrying on with the American theme, I brought along a nice cold can of Coca-Cola. A thought did occur to me that I wonder if the cows are here and they're actually not here for shade. I wonder if they actually know that I'm eating their relatives or one of their relatives, and they're going to get me on the way out and trample me to death. That's so funny. The cow on the inside, or two cows on the inside, hello cows, they can't get out because the cow on the outside has shut the gate and he's mugging them off. Is he going for it? Go for it, mate. He's trying to get out. You can do it. Is he off? Or he just can't be bothered? No, he can't be bothered. Well, I thoroughly enjoyed that. I think we might have some entertainment as well. There's a chap turned up with a chair and he's got some kind of aeroplane You might get out to take off in a minute. That'll be interesting. So what do I think of this Sterno stove? Well, in combination with the Pathfinder Alcohol stove, I think he did a grand job. I was really pleased with that. A bit disappointed with the way this is built, where he's a bit kind of wobbly. Maybe he'll flatten out at some point, but apart from that, for a larger pot, I think it was an absolute great buy. I understand now, they've got gliders, part of a gliding club, model aeroplane gliding club. It's pretty cool. I'll leave them to it. Now we've got to get past my cows. Quick situation update. The gate is still shut. I've got a cow there. Hello, cow. Is there another cow? Is that another rump? Yep. We've got another rump down there. I don't want to get them agitated. We're in a confined space. Oh, hello, cow. I'm trying to get out the gate. Can I get out, please? Hello. Can we move? Move, cow. Move, cow. Move, cow. Come on in. Let's go. I don't want to disturb you. I'm trying to get out the gate. Good, cow. Come on in. Come on in. Need the gate. Sorry, mate. Need the gate. Can we do the gate? We need the gate. Go on. Come on, cow. Come on. Come on. Hello. You're a beautiful cow. Come on, cow. Thank you. Keep going. Yay. You can stay here if you like. No. Come on, cow. Come on, cow. Thank you. Come on, cow. Come on. Always having a stretch. Come on, cow. Off we go. Come on, cow. Yeah. Thank you very much. You can carry on back in if you like. Thank you very much, cows. They're beautiful, aren't they? Have a great day. Well, that was easier than I thought. They was nice, friendly cows. I thoroughly enjoyed today coming out, or this morning. It's still only 9:30 in the morning. Like many Europeans out there, we've been experiencing some really high temperatures, extreme weather. Yesterday it was 36 Celsius around these parts, and that was a bit extreme. And today it's not going to be much better. So thank you so much for coming out so early with me. I've really enjoyed your company. The Sterno stove I bought was from Amazon in the UK. That cost me £18, and I think for the money it was actually a good buy. I wouldn't use it with Sterno type alcohol, you know, like chafing fuel, so I think it'd be a bit slow. But when I partnered it with the Pathfinder stove, it did an absolutely brilliant job. So those two go hand in hand, which is absolutely brilliant, because that little Pathfinder stove, I found him too awkward. He's too big to go in a lot of things that a Trangia alcohol stove will. So pairing him up with the Sterno, they're a match made in heaven. It's 10 to 10 in the morning. It's already getting too hot to be out here. So thanks for coming along with me, and I'll see you later.